ni saa cia bilingi wa mauvo.
Nina wikwatukana musese wa Mutongo TV ngwatano ya mukamba watinda nesa kona yonthe wende na kusia isia kisese namba imwe elembetani itu ya ukamba va ni Mutongo TV ni bilingi wa mauvo mwendone wa saa 3:30 valango manyethia mauvo alama kitika muno va elembetani itu ya ukamba mauvo meokonia maundu ma uteti na mauvo meokonia wathukumi wabamona mbua mbingi ila yende na kuwa isioni kivathukanio mbua esu ni yendeye indi wasio no ende no kusiwa andu mayanangi wa malio na angi kutiwa ni thayo ngwetha ndi kuelesea mauvo asu kati wa angi no tukanena ni kwisela ile 3-9-1 namba yo tumani makuve vatende vi na ntheni wa mitandao itu yonthe amekumakanilie dumio tumani vau yulwa mauvo ala ngwethe wa ndi unengelelia ungu wa ndateka sia ingi vamo no miongo 45 na nyeni twera saskitho kwa nzomo na ke ulo kwa lula mauvo akwanzia ya meko ni Sharon Ndinda kwa oyuto ambako na amwe kati wala tumanengete wito
ala tukumbanisye ni vamwe na
Gavana Mutula kwathana kuthesya ungami wa inando cie mwanya cia Ilovia kauntini ya Makueni. Mumanyiwa wa grade ya nyanya kukueni usi wa ivovoni kuya mavoko kumana na mbua mbinge ila yende. Ukwilelo ni wandonyo kuthiki ya mbu kutamba ikakibucha athi cha kila kiaoni mundume aikua akuwa ni usi wa miuka ngundo. Na ngwatani ya kutetea mapata maa alimu nati hata na masinga kwa dhana usakwani wethi wana utheu.
bilingi wa mauvo.
Kalibu ni umanyithie twambi gavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Junior ni watha maseneta kana ni wende kuthesia ungami wa inando cie mwanya kauntini ya Makueni no kana kwikithia Ilovia cia mwene nthini cia suvika ainena mbe wa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya mivango na mitumile ya Ilovia maunduni mama endio CPIC Mutula ni waweta kana ungami na utheu wa imwe cia inando unaina kivindu kingi vindani ya utongo imu vyetu kindu kila wende kuvindua kavola kwa kavola Benjamin Mwaka nilivota witukuma kauntini ya Ilovia.
I, Mutula Kilonzo Jr. do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give...
Governor Mutula Kilonzo Jr. na ule vikitembe wa nzama ya CPIC kusungia makulyo yulwa mitumile Ilovia inando ni 3 kinando cha mpasari mbeza cia mbanga yani emergency fund ni Ilovia cia mwana cia tetheka fund cia kukilia makundi no elezea maseneta undu wanyo wa basari vindani ya kampeni mwakani wa 2022 undu Ilovia hii ciaendeye kuanywa ginona muthenya umwe mbe wa nyuvani munene kutwaiwa maseneta maiweta vaileitha mitlatala ya vata yati yetwe kimeo kwikithia wanya wina withianu.
So there's an issue of supporting evidence, you know, and the way you support evidence is very simple. In accounting, it's a very simple. It's 1 + 1. You do your monthly reconciliation, and you do your cash balances in terms of the bank, and you indicate these have not been presented, and you're able to submit them, indicating clearly each check. That issue is not being addressed here.
And members, through the chair, we have attached the list of the students who we had awarded bursaries, and the bank indicates when those checks were clearing in the subsequent days. So we actually have also attached, Chair, with your permission, schools where they were going and they have acknowledged later in the year.
Senator Ledama, if you look at the state bank statement, January to December, you see how it was running continuously. These checks were being presented continuously. Even the day before election, it continued.
Ate okuma alikuwa ofisini Governor Junior noweta oyu maundu ne maseo mavo ma alame utetheka na kinanduki me mutandaoni na wanasieki itanenganitwe kila mwanigwa ni witha esivala ungamile.
For this financial year, we have it here. We have the record so that then you don't get double. It's actually not even double. Somebody gets from the MP, then they get from the county, then they get from the women rep. So we now display the list of names of the candidates so that then within 7 days we can get a response from the public of the people who are most deserving.
Ingi ripoti ya mwiki wa masavu ni wanene chaundo hivi ndani ya corona. Kampuni hakuna ya kiuwa wote unikie na mamilioni mambesa kumakina nduni chama unduma kukutana na mbanga kuikithia vainamo wake umusienwa wote na maidhi ulukoni mawo.
Probably that pump was still there. Probably it was never broken. I'm just trying to make us think around that. So that this money is sent to this water company.
Who procured the Gen whatever it is here, Gen set pump, are they the same officers who did the second one? Is it the same people or is it a different?
I changed them.
Okay.
And I changed them because Senator Professor, we had no visual of what they were doing financially. After we came to office, we have now set these companies into a proper framework. So I'm able to know how they are functioning. These water companies were phantoms. CC Finance, seated next to me, presents reports, quarterly reports on those companies. And I've mentioned to you on this iPad, I can see how they are spending money. It's here. How they are collecting money. I can check every day. And where somebody has not reported finance, I am able to alert the CC Finance that I can see a problem. What is the problem with this company?
There must be an establishment whether money was lost through that or not, whether there is law or no law. There was a reality. The main thing the auditor should establish is whether money was stolen or not. If money was stolen, then the people who participated, then they should face the full force of the law.
Governor Mutula Kilonzo Jr. anuadhingi la kaunti ya Makueni dhina muvango mailu wa kwaile kinandu kimwana cha makundi yani cha Tetheka Fund kukilia misi na kwaka ukwati wayo.
How much does it cost me as a resident of Makueni to be able to borrow this money?
The whole idea is good, but is it not discriminative in a way that if you don't get to a certain threshold, then you will never benefit?
A presentation done by the presidential team on the borrowing done on the Hustler Fund alone in Makueni convinces me that if properly applied here on the Tetheka Fund, because we have seed money, it is possible to lend people money in Makueni, that with proper management like in the digital platforms that we have adopted, it is actually possible to graduate people from poverty by giving them a certain amount of money to use, to refund, and borrow again.
Vilingi wa mauvoku mabambungeni ya Senate Musino Ilovi nye Nita wa Benjamin na Mwakam.
Ni muvea Ben, tuesonga nambe enende isioni kifadhokanio ward ya Muthwani, sub-county ya Mavoko, county ya Masaku, ni matwa ICSSO ya kumanda mwe wake litu. Kala ni mumanyiwa wa grade ya nyanya, na kalaka na kuweneki ucha ose wa Ivovone kwe iyo masane maweyo, kuyanana na umwe wa enende kisioni ke Wycliffe Kombo, ni kana mwetu usua na kuweneki ucha ose wa Ivovone ena nyinya wake, indiwe avonoka kuumwetu wake, ndaimererwa ni kiwu na kutwaswa ni kiwu kiwu ufikia vau andombewa atatu ni matieto ni thayo kumana na mbua mbingi ila yende na ukusi wa kaunti ya Masaku. Wanini wa county commissioner wa River Patrick Mwangi ayumia wetano kwa andu ala mekaleta isione ila kwe kiwu kingi madhame. Daniel Mwangala nukutueleze.
Itina wa muvea wa kune kiliwanzeve kuweta kana mbua mbingine kwetha ndiwe kusi wa muthani wa wathandatuna wa chumwa mbwesu ne kusi iwe isione si kivuthukanio va kauntini ya Masaku na ukambo wa The River ando ingi mati wa maitalania wasio ku angi mainini wanetu ya cheva itina wa kwasia endomo nekumana mbua isu wala yutalo munene wa NND ulasimikie kuthamia isione ingi na kumawikalone mo maitethegwa ni maofisa kumuveani wa musalaba mutune na alama akaunti ya Masaku makukitana na mbanga sia mituke uyuka kavindani kala munini wa county commissioner wa The River wa kulia NND mevete isioni ila kutona kuikombelwa ne mbanga na ilesekana itina wake kutambuka isioni sikiwone sio kimau ni moni kana NND ingi mekalete isioni itemba ilu.
Due to the risk involved in this kind of flooding, the Mort Agency, the Sub-County Security Committee has directed that people have to be evacuated people have to leave these premises because as it looks, there is more rains expected. I think there was a weather forecast that had indicated that the rains may continue until the end of the month. And we cannot wait to come up and face disasters and wait for people to drown, and then later on we are here to cry. So the directive is very clear that people have to leave these premises as efforts are being made. We don't have to wait until when we lose life. That's when we start complaining that the government took no measure. So people of goodwill, good residents, kindly assess the situation, start living. If you have nowhere to live for, we can arrange to put you in government compounds where there is safety. We don't want to come to your houses to get you out by force. But if it reaches there, we have to save lives first.
Bunge na kwesezo ya kumanda mwiwa mwetu molo na kuiweneki usini wa ivuwane ulai mudhwane mavoko kauntini ya Masaku niwende na umandwa enende asumande na ukule maofisa masilikali ya kaunti ya Masaku na lama musala mutune kumatedhe sekititone chocha kumanda mwiusu wengi mayenda malelo alama likite kisione chu kusavwa nikenda maundu maukui kwithamela isi
pekebeti na mwitu ya choma na kwati wembanga ya kewu lakini inyawo mwitu etha metuke na kewu no nduke na ikinge mwitu anathi saa ile ni cia witho na andu na mana respondigo kwa metuke lakini mbwa no ndo inaende na kuwa mwitu ethi anda noneka na kibindu cha ingeba it walking almost 20 kilometers kuma balona kwiwe mpaka kwigwa mabakani wa maboko na matunguluko ya lamine lakini tina atetheka kuona mwitu usu na tena tatio respond kwa andu matu respond katika andu ama disaster ma account lakini kuma twa matabio na baisi mwe mote neona maikona etethenikie muno na inya wo mwitu no na umeye na waise kundu takinanie kundu kuno kuna thanitwe masiwa andu melesa metene na wala nini maende na unama na no se ono ndu netwe soma makila ki utuma andu me account mata respond kwitha ona baima lelo malikeka na bailelo yo na wezi ona teko na mwitu bailelo ona tetumea tiumelia mweyo no tetumeye makasi atekaziume la main road na itezi kwa kato ibinda ya siasa ona kuete hata andu ametho maitumia means sio mthema kabikia enende nundu mendo otongo lakini lama mino kwate otongo inela kwina thina maibikia amwenende otene saona mwina nundu kuiye kumetho saa kumi mpaka mbuga thoko cho tuko kwa mukio monde kigu itashuku nundu kigu chemba kingi mbwesu yondo etaneua yute ina options as long as ando ama account makoka atika moni bala mwetu na kwilwe mpaka bala suende to kwatania no longe wathi nundu tebu amino betu kambaka thino chote kuyandu ala mengaliko isia ose wathi kundugeta wa mesone ngalalia ona gundo nyusambu kumako na mwewa mwetu kwitwe no matukonesi mu makatotavya
kwenana na muvia wa ukune kiliwanze vembwe ivaniyo kusi wa mwaini wakana na kuoleka mwaini wa katano Daniela Muankela Mutongwe TV kumava mudhwani mavoko kauntini ya Masaku.
Tuwa Masaku maundu ma ukui na ndamboka lelo ni waku maudonyo sabuku kuya matungulo kauntini ya Masaku kuinganisia kuthi kauntini ya Kiambu umundi ni maungama itina waki useni wa adhi kukila yulo wa kiao amwe maenende alama tuye ngumo ya use uwa adhi ni matiwa matena mawekalo mesiyo ya lika kiwu na yumeenda utethi wa mituki kabindani kauna kemondume wa ukuwa miaka miongo 5 notiwe ni thayo akuwane kiwu cha use wa miu tukune wa kwa mukia umundi kuyaka wao ni kangundo boni motesya nilivota witu kuma isioni iso
kwa kia usini uyu wa thichatamba icha maundu maingi mavata kuyenende mevo maki ukwati na muno alama kila nila seka ondithile kuna maundu mavya sala
na ando maguma ndulia maguma wamane maguma angolo alama enda awe yani maino na mwana wako iwe yani niki nondo kia niki bingite mawe ima kwa mite na ando aingi memo ingo ya alangi memo ingo yo metele kiwu kibite pena masana yukuma kiwu choka nando ni mathini te ma transport yala menda kuinga kwenda thika kwenda ba onda ni abingie
actually twana ngaliko ya ndulia ne yako nwane kiuo na already ona ndo asu tuthamisie saa mwanza sio tuko I think twe na OCS ba saa mwanza sio tuko nondo akiuo ke na twata tothio sisi andu ala mebunga ne iwe ne kiuo na nĩ maratothama na andũ acu maina leu
kumana na mbua mbingi inge mavingi wa misini yo na mwako kwithwa kana kuvetangwa misini yo ni kiu cha usuyo wathi maikule utethi wa metuki na muno kwisila kinandu cha kuthini kiambanga cia metuki kaundini ya Masako
ala mavingi we ni kiao meithamani magwiwe sindu cio ni meonidi utethio na nzia ye yulu na nzia ya metuki niki nondo andu acu na andu ma kaundi na meno tongo yula wimbewo kwou matethegwe na sindu ila cia bata ta mabula sindu cia ukomea andu mbingi cia kuwa ona kiao ijakuwa mabia maingi ma kiao ni makuwa na andu aingi maungamiwa mauya nundo no munthi andu aingi maija ala mathukumila muingo ya makwateliu maija ala mathukumila muingo ya makwateliu maija ni maungamiwa
na nono ne twese county government ito ya Masako ndi wa governor wito wa Vinya Wandeti ne twese mwena utethi na kwi mbesa ila ciumetwe cia disaster management ne toboya tuone ngalikono ya ndonyo sabuku kuma chelene kutheyambika ndulia ne to need kuona utethi uyonekana kisioneke
ahamba elese kana masani mawe yo methi one vinda yumu kwa malio na kwa mamaene ndi sivo siana na thina yo hithio mavinda maingi la kwina mbua ate oyu kiuni kingi vyecha vetu kavala kivika
na twikalite obu twasoka twaumaluka twoka twethia mutumia wa kikalo kitwi ombiwe ni kiguo na twamunya na twasambu yake ikwite na twamumalucha na twakuni andu ma media moka niketha twoswe iwe silikali twikulia Wavinya Ndeti atocicie ni tondu ba village ndipo twina thina mwingi muno na thina twithiie ba ni thina twonete vinde nene nundu ombua yaua ithu no kusemba tusemba riu ni twanangiwe mundani twiaimi na ni twanangiwe sindu cionthe yuto cieswe na nzola aitabua oke mituki one undu andu make mekalite nundu kula ni ithu twaumicie
mututeithie nigetha na ithu tukione uteithio nginya na ngucia gwikira tutire ithue nginya gia kuria thaa ici tutire
Vinya mwana mola tuliwapea kula lakini hamutaki kuangalia sisi masikini maji na tubeba.
Mimi naona ni ajabu sana ikiwako ni ya Mungu tu ni sawa, lakini mashida inakuwako kwa binadamu. Shida nimepata kwa mto kuja kumbaka nyumbani kwa mahali na lala viti yangu kaharibika, mbuzi kaanguka kakufa, shamba kaharibika, hata mahali nilikuwa kwa sisi wakuwa tu ni watu kijiji, hata mimi singekuwa kwa uhai
no kavinda nikauvola mundu umeomokuwe nikiuo masane mautukunga likosea katwiku yakawoni hivyo kizoki imenda nende kwithwa metho na muno masane mawiyo ila meukilanilie mbusi
tukila tutona kwasia ni andu ebindani thi kwikiguo kingi mesubiane na kukila mbusi methi aciucie kiguo na kila mundu ni walitwe no mana kana kiguo ni moicio munene nundu la jamii no kwoza kuzemba ni mundu unge otana ni etha ona ke riski maisha make kwa hiyo kila mundu ale kwesubiana kiguo kona kiguo kikinge ketela kiguo kithele
kaunti ya Masako nyene tawaboni mutesia
tuisonga na mbele mwandiki munene ngwatanioni ya kutetea mabata ma alimu nati uvonge wa yata na masinga Maiko Kasimba Ngui ni wa maikelesia alimu sakwani wanza manzau ya utongoi ya kususia mianya ila yethitwe ye mithei ngwatanioni esu na ulova niwe chumani chukite tauke the wawa aki na utheu vate ulusani Kasimba ya wetanat tainenganite mwanya wa kila mundu kukitea mianya ino kivathukanio ni kwithanat ithukuma na demokrasia oingi. Kasimba ni wa maikithisia alimu onthe mayata na masinga kana mivango na mawalanyo onthe ta maikithie ayimata alimu kwivathana na ciiko cia urusani sesoni yi. Benimark Musau ni ribota witu kuma ngale kwisusia yata na masinga
nena na vilingi wa mauvo. Kasimba ni waumia wikithio kula kwi alimu kana usakuani wa kususia mianya ila yithitwe yi mithei zamani ya utongo ingwatanioni ino na ulova ni wachumwani twathi withwa wa haki na wina uthei aimenda alimu kwivetangana na ciiko cia ulusani isesoni yi.
Nienda kwatha alimu ma masinga na yata kana nituyumbanitie commissioner wa labor ne witie timu yake naye na timu trained ilaji ka unubani ndweka wani branch na bekia wani nat headquarters wekawa ni labor officers meza kuone mayeka nomination matuko 23 na elections ni matuko 28 kwa tuenda kwa alimu kwa nondo ratiko mibango ndu ibiana mibango ni misio na nienda kwa asia wewe akengwa tamalimu wewe ino wambeza nikana uko nakula wala bataile witha uita wai wako
oingi ni waweta itambia yita ya kululumilia ngwatanio ino kwikithia mavata maalimu ni makonua undu vailite iweta vena uthasio wa alimu onthe kukitia mianya ino
wonthe no kwenda ite kibila eti ni muthasia gwitia nola wonthe yathoje na nyombe kukakuna kula nundu Kenya National Union of Teachers ni democratic union na ni alimu onthe tia mundu umwe kana kila mundu ona kula emwe na kila mundu ona mwana umwe kwa kwetia kula kana kuna wakula
okavindani kauka simba ni wa maikithisia alimu mivango yonthe ta mialanie aimenda alimu kuokana mavalua mavata kavindani kausa kwani oyo
tukuli alimu maitu moke na kibande na mayuka na payslip nikana matu wanamubikia vandu bana madhumosu kwa alama ikuja ibela ni mende bindeseo nundu ibela iso ndeni mbingane na hindi alimu alama kadhuwa maina wa mwana wa mukuma alimu mayata na masinga nini kalita muno bindesa muno twino nibu wa maofisa anobe mukuma alimu kumebinda ya corona yoka na kumele delocalization yediweteko uwu ni mwana museo tunengiwe ni commissioner wa labor pamwe na headquarters nikanatubikie pandu ba kuzusia miana ila yebo ya alimu nikanatwetha na branch very strong nienda kwa alimu mayata kana branch ile kanu wa matuko 28 it will be the strongest.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo Mutongoi TV kumava kauntini ya Masako nyeneta wa Ben Musau
muvia wa kwikithia usuvi kumalelo ni va Kenya NTSA kwi umuthi ni watu wa isikalo na ene ianda muvia ni wa ukwi kauntini ya Kitui maofisini ma maundu ma wimi Kitui ATC kielelo ne kuosa mawoni mo kukonia muya umweu ula muvia wa NTSA ukwenda kwikia kulunga na kuola mbanga sia malelo ni bewa kuthukumithwa kwa muya usu mainena nandiki ma Mauvoo matongwiwe ni Ivan Gisheri ni mawetakana muya usu uvanite kulunga ngali sia ukwi wa mwene ndi vamuna ila sia maskulu Onesimus Chalo ni wavika umbanoni usu na atumbanisya ilivote
muvia wa kwikithia usuvi kumalelo ni vambe ya Kenya wa NTSA ni watu asiombano na ene yanda muvia ni okwi mevo mateleva mangali sia ukwi wa mwene ndi vamuna alama maskulu na imanisyo sia uteleva kunenisya moyo muhula muvia wa NTSA kwenda kwikia nokana kuolanga mbanga sia lelo na kwikithia wango sia ulusio usuvi kuwa vamuna ngali sia NMB.
It is our purpose as NTSA to ensure the safety on the roads. Kwa hivyo we want to hear public inasemaje kuhusiana na these new regulations. What do you want us to add or remove? Where do you want us to amend? And even you might have suggestions, very important. And through our email, memoranda@ntsa.go.ke, you can submit ile ambayo unafikiria we can add or remove to enhance the safety of these commercial vehicles and the school buses.
Evans ni avisa muveanu wa NTSA wetakana muvea hunu kwikithia usuvi kuwa ngali wala kwisila muvea uma kwa kwithia metumia nzia nzao sia kwatia miendele ya ngali na kutuma utumani kwi ofisi kuonanya undu ngali isu ithitwe itumika vamwe na miendele yayo.
More or less to say that this is a system that transmits real-time data to a center in the school. So example, gari ambayo inaenda speed ya 60. Ule ambaye ako shule at that point in time ataweza kujua gari ilikuwa inaenda speed. Gari kizimu, gari kiwasho. Dereva ni nani? It will be able to tell all this information in real time. Haitakuwa maneno ya simu ama nini. People, dereva udanganya, ni binadamu kama sisi. Kwa hivyo they can lie. So it is important for this data to be real time. That is what we call it.
Mateleva maithutho kwa atia moto alama avikiana kunengwe ni muvia wa NTSA no kana kusuvia mathayo mova mona alama akuamo maleluni.
Kulingana na undu mataviana mbanga ila ciithitwe iyikika ithe mateleva ni makuli angirithie ni twatia guta ula twanewa na andu ma NTSA nikenda withie ni twaulanga mbanga cia leluni ni kwitha mbanga nyingi ni chiangiawa ni utwai muthuku angali na kwitha saingi tutumanya kila twendesi
alimu maimanisyo cia uteleva vamwe na alama skulu cia secondary na alama evikite nthini wa sikalo ithini makwata mbo wiseso ya NTSA meiweta ni utetheesya manene kwikithia usuvi kumaleluni.
Appreciate NTSA mundu wa jambe muno kila twatutamiria reduce regulations ya masaa 6 to 6 inai changamoto pitu newa yote mundu ila sana situ si adima kao na si amina na si late na si biwa accommodation na that same day particular day kinewa tu kinika basi sana situ na situ travel to stay at the life newa tena tena indi yuma maumia 5 to 10 p.m. igeti wetu sawa
ya wende no kusogu tuidudia mateleba monze mami ate nondo tuwite mbanga mbingi sithetu nondo wa mateleba ma school buses siku involve accident almost kila mothenya ou ni muthuria mateleba monze ala mweleluni twati meo na icho kekwa kuti NTSA era matonyeka matwete ofisi wa NTSA ba Kitui County kweza kwethario kumaba mpaka Masaka.
Didi vote Bingwa Movo Mutongo TV kuma kaunti ya Kitui Neto Onesmus Chalo.
Na indi ni uthuthio museo muno kuma kwa NTSA ni kwatikana atumi onthe malelo na ene yanda onthe makati ya uthuthio usu maundu ni kwithame sawasawa na kuolanga mbanga cia malelo. Kwa witu ambao thi umuoni o mukuve tusembe matukani na ngosi okethia na mauvombe yange.
Ngewa yaku ni avata vainge wanene muno kana nini muno ambizia ngewa yaku umunthi kwa kuvingwa Absa One account na ujikwatia usio wa kilungu cheko miyulu na kila mwaka kwisila mbesa ila wiyete accountini. Download app ya Absa Kenya nikenda uvingwe account. Absa, your story matters.
Ailia une wa mwana waku na Hippo Junior account. Bingwa Hippo Junior account umundi ubongene witu ulawipa kupe naku weyone mbesa ila waiya iyongeleka kwa metuke. Tani ya useo wa uongele kuwa kilungu chaku ya na naundu waiya mbesa yani interest rate opamwena muthenya wako tana kana fande kumia kana withdraw mbesa ute utilwa kendo na inge mpinge. Dhoke obonge witu ulawipa kupe naku kana utukunie simu kwisila noti muonza ile nyanya muonza nyanya muonza kenda muonza ile kwa bombe yange.
Sa inya kamondele kalivo niende na kuomanyithia ene yanda maunduni ma utalii lembetani ya Kiswani ni maadhudhi nzama ya utalii Kenya Tourism Board na serikali sia kaunti lembetani yusi wa mustali ni wambe kuwakilia sithio ene ianda ame ya sekana serikali sia kaunti dhanda tu sia Kiswani Mombasa, Kwale, Kilifi, Taita Taveta, Tana River na Lamu sithio ikwatamba utalii wa beach na nyamusi ya Kitekani na kulwa ni kithio chambai ila sikala kaunti ni Isu Angelina Musene livota witukuma Kiswani.
Enena na andiki mama uvonthi nuwa komono ya kiutalii ya medhinyai na kaunti nisi ya Kiswani katiwa ene yanda maunduni mautalii kumanthi ya Uganda Sam Ikwae na ulani mwane kivila ngwata niyo ya ene mauteli manene nuwa chakanave na vata wa sekti ya utalii na serikali si ya kaunti dhanza tu si ya Kiswani kukwati ya vanena utalii wa kithio otaundu nthi ya Uganda yithito iyika Ikwae no kuetekana edhiwa serikali si ya kaunti ka kwati ya ki sekti ya utalii ikavikia kwa ila kwa kilungu kinene kaunti nisi ya Kiswani.
You travel to Uganda, they have maintained such a cultural attitude. If you look at the kingdoms and the arrangement of the kingdoms, they speak about their cultures very well. They have been able to preserve that culture, and it is amazing that they are actually now packaging it properly and exporting it out as a tourist attraction. Uganda has made very good inroads into Kenya, and we don't look at them as competitors. We really look at them as brothers. We've mentioned that our heads of state have made the protocols ready. So it is incumbent upon us as industry stakeholders to take cue from that, take advantage of that, and see how we can actually complement each other and support business amongst our states. There has been an airline that has been, Uganda Airlines has been flying to Kenya and actually increased frequency. And therefore, there's no reason why we cannot have Kenyans who live at the coast traveling to Uganda to be able to sample the product in Uganda and part of that be able to experience this sort of culture.
Kavinda ni kawa ambassador wa nthi ya Uganda va Kenya Paul Mukumbia ni wawetekana kuwetu vamo kuyene ianda sektani ya utalii dhini wa umbano wa medhinya ina wa Uganda Festival kaunti nisi ya Kiswani ni kwa ilie kwa kilingu kinene vala makwati hivso ye mwanya tanthi ya Uganda kuonia Kenya na atalii kumanthi siantha sithio kivathukorio sia nthi ya Uganda na ila ni vamwe na mbathi maleu na meki ile ya ngua.
First objective of bringing Uganda to the Kenya coast has been realized, and we targeted bringing Uganda to the Kenya coast, but targeting mainly the corporate community of the Kenya coast. And wherever we have been, we have got very high turn-up of these people, the corporate Kenyans, those working with banks, business owners, employees of businesses. So that objective of showcasing Uganda to the corporate community at the Kenya coast was achieved. The third objective was to also introduce golf tourism, which is a new dimension that we are adding to our partnership. We are very excited about the festival. It has been very successful. It has been very well received. Yesterday in Vipingo we had a sell-out. We could, at some point we had to close selling of tickets. In Diani we had about 350 people attending.
Kavinda ni kau minister wa utalii na utanithia va kauntini ya Mombasa Mohamed Osman ni wawetekana kuka kwa chathiki cha Uganda Festival ni kuvikie kukuna jeki sekta ya utalii kauntini ya Mombasa na nthi ya Kenya kwa jumla. Vala ingi wawetekana zama yemwanya na ila serikali ya kaunti ya Mombasa iseviti ni kuvikia kuongela namba ya atalii ala makutambo kaisioni kivathukono sia kaunti ya Mombasa.
Uganda have been our second source market after USA. So there's a lot of significance. And last year there was a 60% increase in tourism from Uganda. So this is a milestone we are making, and this is a cooperation that will keep on engaging Uganda counterparts also. And I think what we spoke yesterday, we marked a milestone towards Mombasa tourism, and we integrated Mombasa Tourism Council. The purpose and objective of this council is to spearhead and connect activities of tourism in Mombasa. And that Mombasa Tourism Council has all stakeholders into it. It's from the stakeholders, from KTBA, from TRA, that we will sit down and organize how to map Mombasa. And it's through that MTC now, we are going to have our calendar of events. We are looking towards improving our cruise tourism. We are also improving our sports tourism and also culture tourism, just like we saw what has happened with our Uganda culture.
Kilivoti ya vilingi wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.
President Dr. William Ruto ni waumia wetano kwendi cia ilembeta ya Afrika ithukumesie mwamba maundu ni meokonia utuika wa matuko ainene ya kiwanzani cha Uhuru Gardens musini wa Ilovi kabidane kalao kuviungwa ya komano ya maundu ma utuika ya Connect Africa Summit ya mwaka uangilila miongole na inya. Ruto ni wawetaka na utuika nutethesia kusukuma na mbe maundu ma Afrika ta utandithia uneni wake ni wako watu ambao ni mwenene wa maminista na oingi minista wa maundu mandi sianza Musalia Mudavadi.
Connected Africa, distinguished guests, Your Excellency. We are here to mobilize our shared dreams and ambitions, visions and strategies in order to pave pathways to our common future. A future designed and built by Africans for Africa. Today, we come together inspired by the shared vision of a continent whose thriving economy anchors global prosperity, driven by the full participation of every citizen, and where, through the relentless pursuit of innovation, integration, and efficiency, our digital economy becomes the fundamental enabler of the aspirations of over 1 billion Africans. The primary ambition of this summit is that through determined collaboration and innovation.
Sidelines, we started having a conversation during the light moments, and we got into talking about the Olympics, which are scheduled to be in Paris. And one of the conversation members put it this way, that there is no athletics competition if Kenya and Ethiopia are missing. Dealing with where we are going, the future of technology and connectivity, I think it is important that as Africa, we make sure that we are running fast enough not to be left behind. We cannot continue playing catch up. The second aspect of it is that we should then also learn to use what we have and make sure that the ball is always ahead so that we find it there.